Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we will talk about how to choose the best email marketing software for you. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to market your business. I'm not talking about the unsolicited bulk emails that are sent out by some companies that end up in your spam folder. I'm talking about permission-based email campaigns sent to a highly targeted audience of clients. Your aim should be to continually grow your opt-in email list and nurture those prospects by staying in regular contact with them and sending them a valuable content. That's how you build a marketing funnel that generates a constant flow of warm, inbound leads on autopilot. I make a very good living from my opt-in email list, and you can too. You can get in touch with your customers at any time of day from anywhere in the world in just few clicks. And if you're always offering great value, relevant content, and building relationships with them, they'll always be there to buy from you in their numbers. If you don't have a list, you're almost throwing money away. Okay, that's why it's so important in email marketing. But what is an email marketing platform? An email marketing platform is basically software as a service subscription that enables you to send marketing emails. Basic functionalities may include create email templates as well as offer a range of pre-made templates, maintain a subscriber list and handle opt-ins and opt-outs, send personalized email broadcasts to hundreds or even thousands of contacts, send sequential autoresponder follow-up campaigns, see in-depth statistics about your email campaigns, including open rates to enable you to evaluate your email marketing activity. You may ask why you actually need an email marketing platform. After all, you can send emails from your own email account. However, I wouldn't recommend sending bulk email broadcasts from your own server. It's fine for sending in small batches if you want to email a profile to a selection of targeted clients on your database. However, for larger campaigns, I'd strongly recommend you use a service designed especially for that purpose. Whilst most email marketing platform providers will have similar core functionalities, they will often have a range of different features. That means you need to make some careful consideration when choosing which platform to use. These include deliverability. How do they ensure that your email is delivered and avoid the spam filters, junk folders, blacklists? Functionality. Do they have the features that you need? The cost. Does the cost fit within your budget? Regulatory. Are they compliant with the relevant legislation, including e-privacy? When choosing an email marketing platform, you will find that there are lots of different providers, all offering a host of different options with a wide range of features and options. It's a case of finding the one that sits neatly with your aims and objectives. Popular providers include ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, Constant Contact, and HubSpot. They're very popular. They're at the forefront of the industry, and there aren't going to be any nasty surprises lurking inside for you. What makes perfect software for me isn't what makes a perfect one for you, because, well, thoughts like these are really subjective. Kind of like asking if you prefer a certain beer or food or type of person. Which one of these providers is right for your business will depend upon your own particular needs and objectives, so choose carefully. Cheapest is not in fact necessarily the best, and neither is the most expensive. Also, don't forget that once you start building your list on one platform, it's difficult to migrate the data later. I personally use ActiveCampaign, which is relatively inexpensive and user-friendly. Okay, guys, let me know in the comments which email marketing platform do you use and why. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.